Okay everyone, welcome back to Mike's Yoga channel and welcome to this Yin Yang yoga flow. When you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin today standing and we'll come to the top of our mats with our feet either together or they can be hip width distance apart here. And we're going to start off with the Yang style and then finish up with the Yin style. So at the top of our mat, on our next inhale, let's bring our hands up towards the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank, and from here, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat, elbows hug in, hips stay elevated, and from here on your next inhale, come up into a baby cobra, keeping the gaze down, no wrinkles in the neck here, and exhale, bring it back to downward facing dog, keeping your fingers spread wide, hands actively pushing into the mat here. And feel free to pillow your feet, just waking up the back of the legs. So we're going to start off by doing a few rounds of sun salutations, just like this. And on your next inhale, come up on the tiptoes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward. Step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart and by your sides. So we got 4 more of those. So inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Elbows hug in, hips stay elevated. Inhale, baby cobra. Gaze down. Exhale. Downward facing dog, breathe. And on your next inhale, come up on the tiptoes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward. Step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart, by your sides. Here we go. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe. On your next inhale, come up on the tiptoes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart and by your sides. Got 2 more rounds. Here we go. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, come up on the tiptoes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart and by your sides. 1 more round. Here we go. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. Lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe. Great job, you guys. From here on your next inhale, let's bring that right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the right knee. Step the right foot up in between the hands, keeping this left leg lifted. On your next inhale, let's rise up, coming into a high lunge. So keeping this right knee over the right ankle, trying to keep the hips in one line here, keeping that core slightly engaged as well. Breathe. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to downward facing dog. On your next inhale, let's lift the left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the left knee, step the left foot up in between the hands. On your next inhale, rise up, high lunge. Again, keeping this left knee over left ankle, keeping the hips in one line, core engaged. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to downward facing dog. From here on your next inhale, let's lift that right leg up once again. Exhale, bend the right knee, step the right foot up in between the hands. This time, let's pivot our left foot to 90 degrees, and then air guitar our left arm up, coming into warrior two here. So making sure the right knee is over the right ankle and the right heel is in line with the left arch. Arms come to a T. Breathe. On your next inhale, come back to peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Step it back to downward facing dog. Great job, you guys. Let's take it over to the other side. Inhale, lift that left leg up. Exhale, bend the left knee. Step the left foot up in between the hands. Pivot the right foot 90 degrees. Air guitar that right arm up. Coming into warrior two here. So keeping that left knee over left ankle, left heel in line with the right arch. Arms to a T, breathe. Inhale, come back to peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Step it back to downward facing dog. From here, let's inhale, lift our right leg up towards the sky. And exhale, let's just bring our right knee into our chest. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, bring it in. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, bring it in. Two more rounds. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, bring it in. One more. Inhale up. Exhale in. Back to downward dog. We'll do that on the other side. So inhale, lift that left leg up. Exhale, bring that left knee into the chest. Inhale up. Exhale in. Inhale up. Exhale in. Inhale up. Exhale in. One more. Inhale up. Exhale in. Come back to down dog. Great job, you guys. Our yang portion of this practice is now over. Let's come into the yin. Bringing our knees down as wide as the mat. We'll start with the extended child's pose. So letting the big toes touch behind you. And then from here, walking the hands out long. And letting the forehead rest in the mat here. We'll hang out here for a couple minutes. Starting to cool off now. Take one more breath here. Exhale. From here, let's slide forward onto our bellies. And we'll come into a Sphinx pose. So stacking the elbows right underneath the shoulders, letting the forearms rest out in front of you. Breathing here. Feel free to close your eyes. See if you can slow down your breath with each exhale. Let's take one more breath. Exhale, slowly release. From here, we'll make our way onto our backs. And once we get to our backs, we'll come into a reclined butterfly, one of my favorite hip openers. So let's bring the soles of the feet together and just let the knees open up wide, letting the hips open up naturally here. A couple options with your hands. You can let them rest down by your sides, or you can have one hand on your belly and the other one on your heart. Again, I encourage you to close your eyes here and just come back to your breath. Let's take one more breath. Exhale. From here, start to extend the legs out long. Extending the arms out. Keeping your eyes closed. Coming into the final Shavasana. Letting your body and your mind reap all the benefits of today's practice. I encourage you to stay here for as long as you like, or if you want, we can rock up into a seated position of your choice. Wherever you are, let's bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.